A way maker, a chain breaker, a hero to all those in need, a healer, provider. I can count on you to be there for me. Master, creator, you're the potter and I am the clay. The answer to every question, a compass when I lose my way.
Hey, we're here in Harlem Heights distributing food, being the hands and feet of Jesus. We have a U-Haul truck full of water and bug spray, Pampers. We have baby wipe, body wipes, formula, peanuts, peanut butter. We have a team of people here just out here working, just being the hands and feet of Jesus. And man, we're out here in Harlem Heights.
And also God, incredible. That's why I give you all of my praise.